Hello everyone, Ikuni here, and welcome back to Friiiiiiightooooooobeeeeeer. Friiiiiiiightooooooobeeeeeer is the entire month of October where I post a video of a horror game, a psychological horror game, or a Halloween-themed video game. One video every single day. So, for the 31 days of October, that's 31 videos. If you have a game suggestion for me to play for future Friiiiiiiightooooooobers, or to play in general, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Today's video game, we return to Cthulhu Saves the World, and I have to say I am loving it so far. It has that RPG element, as well as a lot of the fourth wall breakage. So, without further ado, let us get back to our game. Alright. Continue, and we did slot A. Alright, so we have 23 wild battles left. But what does chat do? Is that a live starfish in your hair? Yes, her name is Penta. Isn't she cute? A live starfish in your hair, and people think I'm disgusting. That's cute, actually. Alright, we're gonna do a couple more battles, just to get the hang of things again. This is day 9. So... oh, there it is! Seahorse, Uzumaki. Still, that's not a blonde Dobie. Alright. Yeah, let's just call the Kraken right away. Alright. We are going to attack, that's 5, and we'll have her flood. Oh, cool. Alright, no one leveled up. We'll do 2 more battles. We'll see how long that takes at least. And then we will continue on plot. Sounds good? Yeah, sounds good. Whee! A giant rat, a crab, and a seahorse. We'll do him. And then... what is... no. We'll make her do flood again. The crab is insane! Alright. We'll have her do flood again. Ah! There we go. We regained everything. And... ooh! Level 5. Let's see. Strength and vitality up, or maximum key and magic. Let's do strength because he doesn't seem to have much magic to begin with. Alright, one more battle, and then we will continue on. Gull approaches, an Uzumaki approaches, a crab approaches! Oh, and do let me know, you guys, if you want to see my level grinding on screen, or if you want me to cut that out or do it on my own time. Because I'm okay with keeping it in a video, it'll just make the videos a little bit longer. Just because it'll be a little bit longer if I keep everything in, because obviously there's 25 battles in the area. So and then magic blood. Yeah. Sorry, I had a brain fart there. Alright. No. Wait. From the original design document plan for the beginning of the game, Underwater Palace of Cthulhu begins with control of Cthulhu in his most powerful evil state. Easily won battle with a group of peers serves an introduction to combat. That would have been cool. After battle, a cutscene where it sets up the premise of the game, loses power, has to regain it. More important to get the player on the main part of the game as soon as possible, so we created the opening that you see in the game. New map engine. Both players on a single map. Not one review for the game mentioned the joys of walking under bridges, all that work for naught. That's cute. The town of Miskatonia. Miska, Muska, Musketeers! Miskatonia is just past a series of caves. I'm sure there are some heroic deeds you can do there. That's right. Umi is in love with Cthulhu. Like, she would have his babies if she could. To Miskatonia! I also apologize in advance if my voice for Cthulhu changes a lot. Alright, so let's enter this cave. No battles. Yeah, what I did just cut out right here was that I went through all 25 battles, and so Cthulhu and Umi are now both level 7. Cthulhu has Flame Strike now, and Umi has Blind and Ailment combo. So, Ailment combo, the more combos that happen, the better chance that status effects will take place. So, yeah. No. It's so nice not having to worry about, wild battles. Oh, treasure. Ah. Please, Tunic. Can anyone use that? No. Can Cthulhu use that? Alright, Vitality. Yeah, let's put that on. Because that gets him plus 20 to Vitality and plus 10 to Will. So, yeah. I'm super into this music. This is epic music in my opinion. Bridges! Did I just go around in a circle? Maybe. What? We've discovered layouts of similar dungeons are too complicated and players are getting lost, including some sort of schematic theme system would have taken a lot of time. We didn't have, so instead we added lanterns to some of the dungeons to help guide the player to the next area. That's good to know. I'm gonna go explore a little bit more. So, yeah, I have this thing where I accidentally go to the plot areas instead of going to extra areas. So, yeah, bear with me. No. Okay. There were a couple of areas down here. Nothing too exciting though. Okay. So it's just me being paranoid again. I went over here before? Yeah, that was the Tunic. Head down here. Let's see. Actually, if we take the upper path, we can get another treasure, so let's do that. potions. Hoorah! You know, I don't know about you guys, but this music gets me pumped. And I'm definitely going to be trying to humming this. Try to be humming this song probably as I sleep. Yay, bridge! What's that on the horizon? I'm Alona-Lena? I'm Alona-Lena. On behalf of the Earth, we will right wrongs and triumph over evil, and that means you! Switchblade's the name. I'm here to steal from the wicked to give to the just. I am Dash the Daring. My courage is only rivaled by my good looks. We are the three heroes of goodly justice. Dark Fiend Cthulhu, we will defeat you and restore light to something. You're a Dark Fiend? You should have told me. That's so sexy. I see you've been using your vile magic to ensnare that beautiful maiden. Release her! Please. If I was using my magic to ensnare someone, I would have picked someone much hotter. Hey! Yo, narrator, do I get hero points for defeating annoying heroes? No. Well, I'm going to beat them up anyway. Virtue always triumphs over evil. We're sure to win. Your friend over there doesn't look too virtuous, hiding behind that cloak and all. I have a skin... Oh, I apologize. I already forgot what accent I used for him. Cowboy, I think? I have a skin condition. Leave me alone. That was nowhere near cowboy. Wahaha! Puny humans! Even with my powers locked away, I have more than enough power to deal with you. Prepare to be defeated! A cleric approaches, a hero approaches, a thief approaches. Okay. Let's see. 67, 120, and 82. Is having trouble adjusting to 16-bit. Very susceptible to peer pressure. Good to know. Okay. So we'll just start off with Flame Strike against the hero, and actually, you know what? We'll just call the Kraken to help. So the thief is faster than Umi. Good to know. Alright, we have this. We're gonna do Flame Strike on the hero, and then she'll do Flood. Hero's defeated. Alright. 3 and 9. Cleric is defeated. The thief is defeated. All enemies have been defeated. Victory! Umi's level 8. Awesome. 100% chance of escape or 60% chance of escape. Okay, so it all depends on how much HP I want to use. So, I've seen how much MP I use. I'm gonna go with a 60% chance for the lesser MP usage. Cthulhu 1, lame heroes 0. I hope they're okay. They're adventurers. I wouldn't worry about it. They've probably already respawned at the nearest church. I wonder if we'll meet them again. Probably. Enough contemplation. Onward to heroism! Which I just wanted to point out. That is a beautiful beach. Sunset. Water thing. That's not a beach at all. That's the reflection of the sun on the water. Let's go back in the cave. It's too bright out here for me. 3 generic heroes that Cthulhu faces is one of the few story elements of the game that was originally proposed by Bill Sternberg, the artist. We were planning on integrating them more tightly with the plot and making them a recurring element, but after I put them in the first dungeon, I promptly forgot about them. Whoops. The new Cthulhu's Angels mode rectifies this somewhat, though. That's hilarious. Alright. Nothing there. I really hope there isn't any, like, hidden loot or anything. because, yeah, I would not be able to find any of it. Whee! More water! I really want to pull out a Pokemon and just surf it. Treasure! 75 gold! Alright, that puts us up to 577 gold. Huzzah! Okay. I was about to say, did leveling up give Umi all her MP back? But no, it did not. We are going to have to rest soon. Or find more areas. Okay, that's... Find more areas to, battle things in so I can just use physical attacks so I can regain my MP. I just went in a giant circle, so I'm just gonna go through plot. Yay! 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 An iron sword! That, I think, is for Cthulhu? Yeah! Hells yeah! Alright. This is actually a very elaborate cave system. Alright, let's do this. Nothing down here. Yeah, and I'm just sprinting through this entire thing, because otherwise their walking speed is this fast. So, yeah, we are going to sprint as much as we can. Treasure! 150 gold! Sweet. Well, you know, on the bright side of not ever seeing those heroes again, yeah, I don't have to remember what accents I used for them. In the early playtest build of the game, there was no restore point before the start terror boss. After several complaints from players reaching the boss and dying because they were out of MP and perhaps forgetting to save as well, since they were used to only saving at restore points, we fixed this and added restore points before pretty much every boss in the game. Awesome. So that means, yes! Restore point, MP, all the MP. If I would have known that, I would have stepped on the white spot from before. Okay. So, Cthulhu and Umi looking over the mountain cliff with the sunrise behind them was one of the very first screenshots we released for the game. I wanted to show off the improvements we had made to the engine, and besides, there are a few things more heroic than a squid man standing on top of a cliff with a sword in hand. Alright, so, because of not this director's hint, but the one before that, I believe there's a boss coming up. So, let's gird our loins and fortify. As our adventurers cross the long bridge leading to Miskatonia, look at that ocean! A strange beast jumps out of the ocean, hurtling itself towards Cthulhu and Umi. Looks like a star terror. Haven't seen one of those since my days on Rigel... 44. Time to prove Time to prove yourself, groupie. What about all of those battles we fought to get to this point? Mere child's play. Now, show me what you got. Show me your moves. A star terror appeared. Alright, how much HP? 712. Holy fuck. Okay, call the Kraken. 12 damage. Not that bad. Alright. So, gonna do Flame Strike and Flood. Oh, okay. Nice. Nice. Alright, 537. I'm going to do Tech again for another Flame Strike. And then... let's see if we can stun it. It is stunned. Awesome. Okay. Okay. We do another flame strike. Magic. No. Oh, I did something. Another flame strike. Then... Okay. Let's see how much physical she can do. 30, okay. That works. Performs boost, next attack will be very powerful. Let's see. You're at 93, so we are going to do death blow on that, and then attack on that. Umi hits first, and then Cthulhu has boosted attack with death blow. All enemies have been defeated. Sweet! Cthulhu is now level 8. Alright, we can plus everything, or plus 20 max HP and max MP. Do we want more strength? Or last longer? Let's do strength. Not bad. Guess you're not as useless as I suspected. Yay! I'm not useless! Hey, wait a second! I feel bad for the star tower, though. It reminded me of my pet starfish. You know, if instead of being a cute little friend, it was a huge, terrifying monstrosity. Don't kid yourself, Umi. If that star terror ever got the chance, he'd eat you and everyone you care about. Well, obviously, I'm not stupid. I still feel sorry for it, though. An early version of the Star Terror boss had the difficulty all messed up. It was easy to cheese it if you repeatedly used ailment attacks, since that would keep it in a perpetual lock. But if you didn't, you were toast. Before release, we upped its ailment resistance a tad while simultaneously lowering its power to make it more manageable. Sounds good. Oh, that's weird. And this is actually a very good place to end off the episode. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you did like this, please leave a like rating and, you know, just leave a comment. Remember, if you have a video game you want me to play or want to see me play, make sure to comment that down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more video updates. This is Ikuni, signing off. Until next time, my lovelies.